Now you must be questioning yourself, what's next? What should I do after completing this mini course? How do I learn the next steps? How do I become a master in this? So I have good news for you. There will be a link in the description to register for our n8n master class. There are going to be advanced concepts like code nodes, JavaScript integrations, custom functions. You're also going to learn about databases, RAGs, ETL pipelines, complex projects, and we're also going to go into webhooks, HTTP nodes, MCP servers, API integrations, MCP agents, how to build production-ready workflows. And for anybody who has done this course, we are going to be having a huge discount. Plus, there will be one-on-one mentorship. If you guys get stuck, we'll be there to help you out. So that's the reason you should join a master course. One of the projects that we are going to do, medical spa voice agent. So assume that you have a medical spa or any spa. Technically, we are going to create voice agents for them. We are going to use retail AI, Reliable or WAPI, and we're going to create the voice agents where somebody calls inbound voice, the receptionist or the AI agent is going to pick up the call, answer all the questions for the spa, and handle all the calls for that. So that can be used for multiple people. Second is the HR resume tracking system. What happens is when a resume is submitted, the HR system, resume tracking system, is going to check whether there is an open position, and it's going to score the resume, whether it's qualified or not. It's also going to create the users' questions that the HR can ask them. So pretty solid system. And an AI influencer, all the videos that you see these days on YouTube about AI influencers, we are going to show you how to create your own AI influencer that you can create, or yourself. You can clone yourself and use it for your social media. So that's about the projects over there. We are going to build your JARVIS, your own voice agent that is also going to help you with calendar management, with your emails, with your texts and chats. Prompt engineering mastery is also a part of it. Sales and marketing engine. So we have so much stuff to give you in that one mastery course that you can be a pro, a master. And with that said, last but not the least, your automation future. It has already started. You have already taken the first step. Do not let this stop you. Let's go to the next level with professional.